We all know that today there are many high-level programming languages. For example, Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, Rust, Go, Swift, and others. Each of them has its own set of commands, functions, and data types. Moreover, commands that do the same thing can look completely different in different languages. But here's a question. What exactly does your modern processor support? Intel, AMD, Apple, Samsung, Huawei, NVIDIA, IBM? What if I told you that none of the commands or functions from high-level programming languages are actually supported by these processors? The thing is, processors execute only machine instructions, known as instructions or opcodes. And the programming language that works directly with these instructions is called assembly language. Assembly is the fundamental base upon which all high-level programming languages are built. Ultimately, any code, from JavaScript to Python, gets compiled or interpreted into machine instructions that the processor can understand. Assembly handles simple and low-level operations, such as reading or writing data between memory and CPU registers, performing arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, bit shifting, logical or arithmetic, value comparisons and conditional jumps, CMP, JMP, JE, JNE, JG, etc., logical operations, and, or, XOR, NOT, and stack and flag operations, push, pop, call, and return. In addition to the base instruction set, a processor may include a floating point unit, FPU, a coprocessor for handling more complex floating point operations like square root calculation, trigonometric functions, computing exponentials and logarithms, though these are often implemented in libraries or offloaded to GPUs. Modern CPUs also support extended instruction sets, MMX, SSE, AVX. If you're a programmer familiar with high-level languages, you can create and improve your own functions, build libraries and frameworks. But with assembly, that won't work. Its capabilities are strictly limited to what has been hardwired into the CPU. These instructions are physically implemented using transistors, logic gates, buses, and registers inside the processor chip, and changing them would require redesigning the processor itself. Assembly is the language that allows you to talk directly to the processor. No magic, just the raw instructions the hardware is built to execute.